This is a medical-grade condom manufacturing factory designed for precision, consistency, and safety. Before any condom is formed, the process begins with carefully prepared liquid latex. The latex used to make condoms begins as a natural material harvested from rubber trees. On its own, natural latex is not strong enough. Medical-grade stabilizers and compounds are added later to improve.
Natural rubber latex, seen here flowing into the collection cup, is essential for countless industrial products.
These carefully controlled formulations allow latex to stretch, return to shape, and remain stable over time. Once prepared, the latex is transported to the factory, where the manufacturing process begins.
Once prepared, the latex is transported to the factory, where the manufacturing process begins.
Each batch is tested to ensure purity, consistency, and safety.
Inside the factory, liquid latex is stored under controlled conditions before production begins. Before forming begins, the latex is carefully mixed to maintain uniform strength. In the cleanroom environment, precision is paramount. The automated system ensures every former is dipped uniformly into the latex vats.
The forming process begins with ceramic molds designed to shape each condom. Each former is dipped into liquid latex to create a thin, uniform layer. Multiple dipping cycles are used to achieve the required strength and elasticity. Heat is used to dry and stabilize the latex layers.
curing step ensures durability and long-term performance.
This curing step ensures durability and long-term performance. After forming, the condoms are thoroughly washed to remove any residue.
Stretch tests ensure elasticity meets strict medical standards.
After testing, a measured amount of lubricant is applied to each condom. A final drying stage ensures the lubricant is evenly distributed.
Once dried, the condoms are carefully rolled into their final form.
The smooth mechanical motion of the brushes precisely rolls the latex, maintaining the highest standards of the cleanroom environment.
Before packaging, each batch receives a final visual check.
Packaging protects each condom from contamination and damage.
Heat sealing locks in freshness and sterility. Heat sealing locks in freshness and sterility. Each package is marked for traceability and safety.
Each package is marked for traceability and safety. Once boxed, the products are ready for distribution.
Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes final quality checks.
This is how condoms are made, glued, from start to finish.
From natural latex to finished products, precision defines every step.